Welcome to the brand new 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4X. The AT4X is powered by a 6.2 liter V8 engine and mated up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the vehicle: power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating as well. We do have our 4x4 dial, push button 4x4, your drivability dial, trailer mode, automatic headlights, fog lights, heads-up display controls, a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls, a full digital gauge cluster there as well, customizable for the information of your truck, 13.4-inch large touchscreen using the Google operating system, Google Maps, Google Play Store Assistant, all the above, all available through there. Massive push-button ignition, dual-zone climate control with heated and ventilated seating, lane keep assist, parking sensors, auto stop start. You have your automatic shifter knob, you're integrated to the braking system there as well. Vehicle has the all-black interior with Bose audio, and then our leather heated and ventilated Sierra AT4X seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the GMC Sierra AT4X, we do have the 18-inch wheel and tire package, beautiful blacked out alloy wheels with the Goodyear Wrangler Duratrack all-terrain tires. The AT4X does come with a GM Multimatic Suspensioning system as well. Coming down the side, keyless entry, up front, color match door handles, AT4X badging, 6.2 liter V8 plaque. At the front of the truck, we have the lift kit, factory lift kit as well, making room for the big wheel and tires. Again, the DSSV Multimatic suspension system all around. Coming to the front of the AT4, we have LED daytime running lamps, turn signals and fog lights, front parking sensors, recovery hooks there as well, camera system in the AT4X grille. Making our way back down the side, crew cab truck with rear tinted privacy windows and blacked out window trim. Vehicle is equipped with remote start. At the back, we do have the rear parking sensors, trailer tow package, LED brake lights, and the GM MultiPro tailgate. Jumping into the interior, we have the leather 60/40 split, both end seats here are car seat ready as well. In-seat storage feature, sliding rear window with defrost. We have the Suede wrapped headliner with LED lighting and a single pane sunroof. Near 3-stage heated seat controls and USB ports in the back of the center console. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2022 GMC Sierra AT4X. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.